Hi everyone, in this video essay we'll be analyzing the Gillette commercial we believe the best a man can be. This commercial was produced by the Gillette company in January 2019 and it quickly became a hot topic of discussion. To set the scene, let's start with some background information. The commercial addresses the issue of toxic masculinity and the need for positive behavior from men. It features different scenarios where men engage in negative behavior such as bullying, harassment, and objectification of women, and then shows examples of positive behavior and how men can do better. The thesis statement. In this video essay, we will analyze the use of rhetorical strategies and appeals in the Gillette commercial. Through various rhetorical appeals and features such as the audience, purpose, context, pathos, logos, ethos, and kairos, the commercial, we believe the best a man can be, effectively communicates its message about the importance of positive masculinity and standing up against toxic behavior. The context. The commercial was released at a time when issues of toxic masculinity and sexual harassment were highly prevalent in society. The hashtag #MeToo movement was gaining momentum, and conversations around gender equality and consent were at the forefront of public discourse. The commercial's message was timely and aligned with the cultural zeitgeist. The audience. The commercial's target audience is primarily men, specifically those who are open to self-reflection and personal growth. It speaks to men who are willing to examine their own behavior and be more mindful of how they treat others. The commercial also targets women who are impacted by toxic masculinity and want to see positive change in men's behavior. The purpose. The purpose of the commercial is to encourage men to reflect on their own behavior and take responsibility for their actions. It calls for men to hold themselves and others accountable and to take action against negative behavior. The commercial aims to inspire men to be role models for the next generation and to create a more positive future. Pathos. The commercial uses emotional appeal to connect with its audience. It depicts negative behavior and the impact it has on others, such as the bullying of a young boy or the catcalling of a woman. It also shows positive behavior and the impact it can have, such as a father teaching his son to be kind and respectful. By evoking empathy and compassion, the commercial motivates its audience to take action. Logos. The commercial presents logical arguments to support its message. It shows statistics about bullying and harassment, making a case for the need for change. It also provides examples of positive behavior and how it can lead to better outcomes. By using evidence and reason, the commercial appeals to the audience's rational side. Ethos. The commercial establishes its credibility by featuring real people and organizations that are working towards positive change. It also draws on Gillette's history as a brand associated with masculinity and grooming. By aligning itself with these values, the commercial builds trust with its audience. Kairos. The commercial's message was particularly timely given the cultural context. It resonated with a wider societal conversation around toxic masculinity and the need for positive change. By capitalizing on this moment, the commercial was able to make a significant impact. In conclusion, we believe the best a man can be is a prime example of a well-crafted commercial that effectively uses various rhetorical strategies to deliver its message. By appealing to the emotions of its audience through pathos, establishing its credibility through ethos, and presenting logical arguments through logos, Gillette successfully communicates its message about the importance of positive masculinity and standing up against toxic behavior. In my opinion, the commercial also demonstrates the significance of Kairos in rhetoric, as it was released at the time when issues of toxic masculinity and sexual harassment were highly prevalent in society, making the message even more impactful. Overall, this commercial serves as a reminder that effective communication is not just about what we say, but how we say it. The use of rhetorical appeals and strategies can greatly enhance the effectiveness of our message and help us connect with our audience on a deeper level.